All right, you made it to day number 5. I'm super excited. We have some really cool things here that we're going to be talking about. All right, so day 5 and day 6 are going to be covering your Facebook profile, and then that's going to be today in day 5, and then in day 6 we're going to talk about organic marketing using your profile. All right, so but today we're going to talk about the settings that we need to change within your profile, so that way we can maximize your organic reach. Okay, so a lot of people, they may not want to tamper or mess with their Facebook profile because they like it just the way it is, and I get it. I totally understand. Now, some people choose to get a different or start a different Facebook profile. I think the last I checked, that's actually against Facebook's terms of service, so I wouldn't advise doing that. As far as a Facebook business page goes, I don't believe Facebook pushes the page in front of the right people, so I don't think that's going to be very beneficial as far as I'm aware of. So what you're going to have to do is it's going to have to be on your profile, and this is what you're going to have to do in order to get yourself in front of the right people. All right, so there's only 2 ways. There's paid ads, or there's the organic reach. All right, and most people don't want to do the paid ads route. They don't want to pay for ads, especially when you're first starting, because you're trying to make money. So if that's the case, if that's you, I would recommend that you really pay attention in day 5 and day 6. Dive into it and really, follow along and set your Facebook up, your profile up accordingly. And then in day 6, you can implement these tactics into your profile or into your everyday posting, and you're going to watch your Facebook profile grow, and you're just going to push you in front of the right people. So it's super exciting stuff. So I can't wait to see how it turns out for everyone. So anyway, you don't have to do this. It's just an option. If you want to skip this, you can actually go over to day 7. And we'll just talk about Facebook ads. All right, so that's after this. But I wanted to cover organic marketing first, because this seems to be a big thing right now. And I've seen a lot of people make a lot of money doing this. If you do it just right, you can make $1 million, $2 million. I'm watching people do this, and it's absolutely incredible. So, and I've implemented these tactics into my business and watching my profile grow as well. So let's dive into it, and then once you're done with day 5, you can go ahead and move on to day 6. I'll see you then.